See, I've made a lot of mistakes in my 20s. Like picking up science as my 11th stream and failing it, moving cities thinking I would find myself, switching jobs like changing t-shirts. But this one decision, this one little moment of madness that tops my list is this. Presenting to you my happy mistake. Hello Ji, Namaste. This is Sriharsh and welcome to another video. If you're wondering what exactly is a happy mistake, let me break it down for you. I was 22, first job, first paycheck, zero savings and had no idea what I was doing. While others were talking about savings, investments and SIPs, I was thinking about getting myself a dog. And I did. You might be thinking, getting a dog is good, Harsh. How can this be a mistake? अब क्या बोलूं? चलो start से करते हैं. So when we got him, he had this tunnel deep ears, tiny little legs. He loved carrots. He still does. He slept like a baby, played with balloons. Surprisingly, he was super duper calm. Okay, like 70% of the time. It all felt like the best decision of my life. But very quickly, reality started kicking in. The house started smelling weird. Puppy face got very chaotic. Constant vet visits, my budget was all over. Dog hair got everywhere. And all of a sudden, there's no undo button. Control Z doesn't really work in real life. But you know what? These are very silly ones. Something that you get used to. But what really makes me call it a mistake is that I couldn't travel anymore. You know, in your 20s, you're supposed to be out there exploring world, making mistakes, taking those random trips that you really want to do. But for me, it was not about all of that. I mostly spent my early 20s at home. Only because I chose this boy who couldn't be left behind. Now you might say, why don't you just travel with him? I tried, okay? But it's not as simple as it sounds, especially if you have a big one like him. You know, I don't usually talk about this, but whenever I did, people have been like, कि यार अगर इतना मुश्किल है, तो छोड़ क्यों नहीं देते? If it is so hard, why don't you just let him go? And I sit there asking myself, how? How do you let go of someone whose world just revolves around you? Someone who thinks that you are the only one that matters. I mean, if I look at it from a larger picture, I absolutely love this mistake. You know, after I got him, I learned what real patience is. Like him barking at the same delivery guy every single day. That kind of patience. I step out twice a day now, which if you are an editor, is rare. I don't have any of my own problems, mostly because he is the problem. He forced me to be responsible, kept me grounded, gave me structure, discipline, focus, all that mostly what I needed. And most of all, he just brings life to the house in his own weird ways. You know, हमारे घर में, somehow the conversation always revolves around him. Did you take Tarzan for a walk? Did you feed him? Tarzan looks sad, is he okay? Tarzan this, Tarzan that. And I wonder sometimes, what if this so-called mistake never happened? What would we even talk about? Now after 4 years, when I look back, I understand that when we are young, we make these drastic decisions. Sometimes out of impulse, sometimes maybe out of hope. Suddenly when things go wrong, it kinda hits you. Arey yaar, did I just mess everything up? What if this never meant to be? But what I've realized over time is that when the noise settles down and you zoom out, everything kind of starts to make sense. Like for me, failing in college made failure less scary. Moving different cities, I met people whom I didn't know I needed. Changing my job again and again and again, I realized what I really don't enjoy. And Tarzan taught me what it means to stay. To be there, to care, even when things are not easy. So yeah, maybe life feels messy right now. You may have probably no clue what's happening, but maybe it's not a mistake at all. So, would I call getting myself a dog in 20s a mistake? Yeah, maybe. But do I regret making that mistake? Hell no. Hi, I'm Harsh and this is Khwahish. I make videos about life, dreams and all messy and beautiful things in between. And this is my happy mistake. What is your happy mistake? Let me know in the comments. Bye.